Hold on to your virtual hats, crypto enthusiasts. There's a thrilling twist in the world of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy, the company that can't get enough of this digital gold, just made a jaw-dropping move. They've just bought another 301 Bitcoins for a cool $6 million. But wait, there's more to this story than meets the eye. Strap in, because we're about to dive deep into what this means for the world of crypto. Welcome to the Cryptoholics Corner, your hub for all things crypto. Join us as we dive into the world of cryptocurrencies, uncovering insights, sharing news, and demystifying the complexities of this exciting digital frontier. Stay tuned for enlightening episodes, and remember, fellow cryptonauts, the crypto universe is vast, and together, we'll navigate its depths. Let's talk about MicroStrategy, the company that's been making some serious waves in the world of cryptocurrency. They just went on a shopping spree and bought an extra 301 Bitcoins, spending a cool $6 million. If you do the math, that's an average of around $19,851 per Bitcoin. Now, why is this such a big deal? Well, it brings MicroStrategy's total Bitcoin stash to a whopping 130,000 Bitcoins, which, at today's prices, is worth over $2.2 billion. That's a hefty chunk of change. But here's the real scoop. This isn't MicroStrategy's first rodeo with Bitcoin. They've been one of the big corporate players in the crypto game for a while now, and this latest buy is like a big, bold statement. It says, hey, we're doubling down on Bitcoin because we really believe in this stuff. What's even more interesting is the timing. Bitcoin's price took a nosedive from its all-time high of nearly $69,000 back in November of 2021. But MicroStrategy doesn't seem to be sweating it. This move suggests they're in it for the long haul, regardless of the short-term ups and downs. This isn't just a story about a company making a big purchase. It's a tale of how institutional investors are getting increasingly cozy with cryptocurrency. It's like crypto is stepping into the big leagues, with big players like MicroStrategy giving it a nod of approval. So hold on to your digital wallets, because the world of crypto just got even more interesting. Let's chat about why MicroStrategy's Bitcoin shopping spree is such a big deal. Number 1. Vote of confidence. Picture this. MicroStrategy is like the cool kid in school, and Bitcoin is a star quarterback of the football team. When the cool kid says, I believe in you, it's a big deal. MicroStrategy, a publicly traded company, just pumped a whole lot of money into Bitcoin. This screams confidence in the long-term potential of this digital gold. Secondly, price-boosting potential. Now, when a big player like MicroStrategy buys a bunch of Bitcoin, it's like shouting from the rooftops that this crypto is a hot pick. Other investors might say, hey, if they're doing it, maybe I should too. This increased demand can drive up the price of Bitcoin. Thirdly, institutional attention. Ever heard of those big shot financial institutions that manage loads of money for rich folks? They're called institutional investors, and they're usually cautious. But when they see a move like this, they might start to think, maybe we should get in on this Bitcoin action too. This could open the floodgates for even more investment in the crypto market. Lastly, legitimizing Bitcoin. Bitcoin is often seen as the cool rebel of the financial world, but it's rarely invited to fancy galas. MicroStrategy's move, though, could give Bitcoin a seat at the high society table. It could become a more mainstream investment like gold, but without government or bank control. But wait, don't forget the wild side of Bitcoin. It's super volatile. Its price can be as unpredictable as the weather. So while MicroStrategy's shopping spree is a big thumbs up for Bitcoin, it doesn't come with a crystal ball guaranteeing future prices. So what else could sway Bitcoin's price? Well, there's the overall crypto market mood. If it's booming, Bitcoin's likely to rise, but if it's in a slump, Bitcoin might dip. Government rules and tech advancements can also play a part. Friendlier regulations can boost prices, while new tech that makes Bitcoin easier to use can do the same. Its price depends on the classic supply and demand dance. More people wanting to buy, price up. More people looking to sell, price down. Let's explore what MicroStrategy's Bitcoin shopping spree might mean, both the good stuff and the possible hiccups. On the sunny side, we have price boost potential. MicroStrategy dropping $6 million on more Bitcoin is like throwing another log on the fire. If other companies follow suit and start gobbling up Bitcoin, it's like a domino effect. Prices could shoot up, making your Bitcoin stash worth even more in the long run. Next, we have institutional investors on board. Think of institutional investors like the cautious folks at a swimming pool who wait to see if the water's warm. MicroStrategy diving in could be the signal they've been waiting for, like a lifeguard saying, come on in, the Bitcoin's fine. This could lead to big money flowing into Bitcoin, and that usually drives up prices. And lastly, legitimizing Bitcoin. Bitcoin's often called digital gold, but not everyone's convinced. MicroStrategy's vote of confidence could be like a gold stamp of approval. It might make folks see Bitcoin as a real deal store of value, kind of like investing in gold bars or art. Now let's move on to the potential hurdles. Roller coaster ride. You know how roller coasters can make your stomach flip? Well, Bitcoin can do the same to your wallet. It's known for crazy price swings, so if you're not into heart-pounding adventures, this could be a risky ride. Secondly, all eyes are on MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy is like the captain of this Bitcoin ship right now. If they decide to jump overboard and sell their Bitcoin, it could send ripples through the market, maybe even making Bitcoin's price drop. And lastly, the financial tightrope. Here's the thing about MicroStrategy. They're carrying a lot of debt, and their whole business plan is tied to the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's value takes a nosedive, they might hit some rough waters financially. Keep an eye on how this unfolds, but always remember, Bitcoin's a bit of a wild stallion. It can be thrilling, but it can also be a bumpy ride. Now, if you're really thinking about jumping into the world of Bitcoin, here's some friendly advice. Tread carefully. It's like deciding whether to take a thrilling roller coaster ride. Before you hop on, consider both the ups and downs. First off, do your homework. Just like you'd check the reviews and safety measures at an amusement park, research Bitcoin thoroughly. Understand what you're getting into. Now let's talk about the nitty-gritty. First up, we have price roller coaster. Bitcoin's price has been on a bit of a bumpy ride lately. It's been sliding down instead of soaring up, and honestly, no one can say for sure when or if it's going to bounce back. It's like trying to predict the weather. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's stormy. Secondly, it's crypto's Wild West. The crypto world is like the Wild West of finance. It's young, it's unpredictable, and there are no guarantees. Just because Bitcoin has been the star so far doesn't mean it'll stay that way. It's like a Hollywood actor who could fade into obscurity. And lastly, only play with what you can lose. Imagine going into an arcade with a pocket full of change. You're there to have fun, and if you lose some tokens, it won't ruin your day. That's the attitude to have with Bitcoin. Only invest money you're okay with losing, because, let's be real, it's not a sure thing. So before you take the plunge into the world of Bitcoin, weigh the risks and rewards. Remember, this isn't a ticket to guaranteed wealth. It's more like a thrilling ride at the financial amusement park. Enjoy it responsibly. MicroStrategy's purchase of additional Bitcoin is a significant development in the cryptocurrency market. It's a vote of confidence in the asset, and it could have a number of positive effects on the market. However, it's important to note that Bitcoin is a volatile asset, and its price could continue to fluctuate in the short term. Investors should do their own research before investing in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the world of cryptocurrencies here at the Cryptoholics Corner. We hope you've gained valuable insights and knowledge that will empower you in your crypto endeavors. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest trends, news, and tips. Until next time, fellow cryptonauts, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep prospering in the fascinating realm of cryptocurrencies.